And Vice President and Presidential Advisor for OFW Concerns, Jejomar Binay, welcomed the decision of the Saudi government to extend the deadline for the undocumented Filipinos and other foreign nationals in that Middle East kingdom. He urged the OFWs concerned to take advantage of this and comply with the Saudi requirements. Noel Perfecto reports.
Vice President Jejomar Binay expressed his gratitude to the Saudi of Labor for extending the 3-month amnesty period given to all foreign workers. VP Binay said that this is a great help for all Filipino workers in Saudi to organize necessary documents in order to remain working in the said country. Binay also pleaded with other countrymen to use the added time as an opportunity to submit their requirements from the Saudi government to the Philippine Embassy.
The problem is factual, no? Na yung facilities, yung administrative responses ng Saudi, could not cope up with the demands, no? Daang libo ito.
Meanwhile, with regards to the Filipino drug mule facing execution in China, the parents of the convicted Filipina asked Media Man not to release reports about the details of the execution. With this, Vice President Binay also pleaded with the Media Man to respect the wishes of the family.
Ang pakiusap ng pamilya, no? Lalo na ng nanay, na kung maaari huwag na lamang mabanggit pa yung kung kailan at kung na-execute na.
Binay did not reveal the exact date of the execution. He said that according to the DFA, it is anytime soon.
Pansamantala, pagbigyan muna natin yung pakiusap ng pamilya, no? Wala na munang banggitan kung kailan execute at kung na-execute.
Earlier, the planned trip to China by the Vice President was canceled. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.